If you have a slightly older car without the latest and greatest infotainment system, Google has a solution for you. It has been working on an Assistant for Car Accessories platform that brings Google Assistant into the car. Think of it as Google Home Mini, but for the car. The first accessory in this line is the Anker Roav Bolt. It plugs into your car's cigarette lighter and uses your car's Bluetooth or aux port for audio. There are 4 indicator lights on the front to show that it's working, and there are 2 USB ports for charging your phone. As far as features go, it does pretty much everything Google Assistant does. You can ask it for navigation. Hey Google, take me to the Golden Gate Bridge.
Okay, Golden Gate Bridge. Head northeast on Harrison Street toward the Embarcadero.
Make calls, send messages, play the latest music. Hey Google, play Lizzo.
All right, here's Lizzo on Google Play Music.
Hey Google, stop. And also get things done by asking it for your latest calendar appointments, for example. And you can play games on it as well. Hey Google, play Mad Libs.
Sure, I'll pretend to go get a pencil. This is Mad Libs, the world's greatest word game. Let's write a story together. This Mad Lib needs 19 words.
It connects to your phone via Bluetooth and essentially uses your phone as the brain of the operation. The phone controls all the navigation, messages, and so forth. If you want to activate Google Assistant without saying the magic words, just long press the button here to do so. One of the benefits of the Anker Roav Bolt is that it has 2 far-field microphones that can detect your voice even over environmental noise like car sounds, traffic, and so forth. The Anker Roav Bolt will be available for $49.99 starting at Best Buy and will be available at other locations soon.